Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Little tidbit of information here. If you wanted to put lines across here equally from this end to this end, there's three ways you could do it. If you look, this oval is 18.5. If we wanted to put, say, 6 lines across here, we could type in 18.5 divided by 6. And you get 3.083. So then if we take this and Control D, it's going to move it over and Control D all the way across, and it matches that in. Now, if we want to do it another way, I'm going to hold down the Alt key and select those lines. You could do this. Move this line, hit the plus key and move this line to there. And then hold down the Alt key and select those two lines and go up to Effects and blend them 6 times. And you get 6 lines in between there equally. Or you could do this. Don't worry about your nudge factor. Let's set our nudge factor like 1/4 of an inch. And we're going to take this line and Control D and make a duplicate. Well, let's do more than 1/4 of an inch. Let's do 1 inch. Doesn't really matter. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Control D, put so many lines. Then if you will take these lines and group them together, Control G, and hold down where you get the 2-sided arrow and have it snap to that. And you've got those 6 lines equally spaced out in there. I really like using the blend tool the best. The only problem, if there's a problem with the blend tool, and then when it puts it into a blend, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to move this over. And if you hold down the control button, it'll be equal. And we got the blend docker open. So I'm going to hit the Alt key and select these. And I'm going to blend them those 6 times. The only thing wrong with this is it's a blend. And you can't, do too much with it. If you want to break them apart, you've got to go to Object, break the blend apart. And then you still have a group of items in the middle that it actually blended. So you've got to group and ungroup. And then you have 6 individual different lines. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.